Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the secrets to financial success and passive income. Today, we have something truly special for you. If you've ever wondered how to invest in cryptocurrency, make money on autopilot, and generate passive income without any prior knowledge, then you're in the right place. But before we begin, a quick disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. Now, let's dive in. Are you tired of the traditional ways of making money? Do you want to tap into the world of cryptocurrency, where fortunes are being made? Well, you're about to discover a groundbreaking opportunity that could change your financial future forever. Imagine being able to generate passive income with zero know-how. Yes, you heard that right. Zero knowledge required. We're offering a once-in-a-lifetime chance to be part of an exclusive group of individuals who will embark on a journey to the promised land of financial freedom. Let me paint a picture for you. You're sitting on a beach, sipping a refreshing drink, while your money is working hard for you in the background. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that dream can become a reality with our proven system. We've developed a unique strategy that leverages the power of cryptocurrency and automation to generate passive income on autopilot. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this too good to be true? Let me assure you, it's not. We've already helped thousands of individuals just like you to achieve financial independence and create a life of abundance. Our system is designed to minimize risk while maximizing returns. It's time to take control of your financial destiny. Here's the catch: we're only opening the doors to a limited number of people. We believe in quality over quantity, and that's why we're only accepting 144,000 individuals into this life-changing opportunity. Will you be one of the lucky few? If you're ready to secure your spot in the promised land of financial freedom, click the link below to sign up for our exclusive program. Don't miss out on this chance to invest in cryptocurrency, make money on autopilot, and generate passive income without any prior knowledge. Remember, I am not a financial advisor, but I am here to guide you on this incredible journey. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, the future belongs to those who take action. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Together, let's unlock the doors to financial abundance. See you on the other side.